In this video, I will share with you 5 reasons why he is not pursuing you. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value women secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And just before I will share with you those 5 reasons why the guy you're dating or you're seeing or talking to online or maybe are even married to is not pursuing you, don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out are you a woman of high value or low value, which I will drop down in the video description box below. And if you like my merch, with goals and not with drama, as always, you can get it in my YouTube store. So why is he not pursuing you? The reason number 1. And let's start with the most obvious one. He is not that interested. It could just be not enough of attraction from his side, or perhaps it could be not enough of bonding. So if he, for example, even approached you and dropped you that kind of hello message, or you're so beautiful or gorgeous or whatever, but he's not following up, it is because he is not interested enough. It's very easy to ghost people on online dating because once somebody says just something off, or once somebody doesn't reply on time to the message, people just tend to unmatch and just kind of ghost you, right? And the reasons being are usually because on big dating sites, we assume that there is so much fish in the sea, and if we just ghost someone, there is still thousands of people waiting for us. The online dating nowadays is kind of compared to, let's say, you know, when you go to a very big candy shop and you see so many candies that you like, you don't know which ones to choose, and there are some that you never even tried before, so you're kind of like, maybe I should try these, maybe these are better than my favorite ones, and you're just completely confused. You're too overwhelmed with so much choice. So with online dating, if you have pretty pictures and he sends you something sweet, but when he's not following up, it's just because there is not enough of interest, and perhaps you said something off, therefore he just ghosted you like that because he thinks there is potentially so much more candy in a shop. The reality is that through our entire lifetime, we usually come across 3 to maximum 5 people that we meet and truly bond. So even if it's like thousands and thousands of candy in the shop, we don't live forever, we don't bond with everybody, and years do go by just like that. Number 2 reason why he doesn't pursue, it's kind of a new thing nowadays. Well, it's not that new anymore, it's been going on now maybe for the last 3 years heavily. Before that, it was still not many guys would do it, but it's really heavy now for the last 3 years. And I think it's only because there are so many dating coaches online, on YouTube, on internet, etc., for men and women. And what guys tend to believe, that a woman will like you if you will not pursue her. So some guys purposely don't pursue beautiful women or the girls that they do like, because they think if we're gonna be the ones ignoring that girl will get intrigued. How come he ignores me? Everybody likes me, and she will start to pursue him. So a lot of men take this type of approach. It's a complete BS approach, and any mature woman will agree with me. However, it does work on the girls that are a bit insecure, that need a self-esteem boost, that need a lot of attention. Something from the age of 13 to 20, this type of stuff can apply. However, majority of women grow up and mature, and these type of things don't work anymore. We are then drawn to men that provide safety and security, behave like proper men, and pursue women properly, which is a very masculine thing to do. Number 3 reason why he is not pursuing you could be because you are the one pursuing him. You are the one giving, you are the one texting, calling, writing him long essays, over explaining yourself. A lot of ladies that are quite insecure, they try to over explain or overshare or over control a guy that they are dating because they desperately need that safety and security that a guy should be giving anyway. However, when you're approaching a guy from your insecurities and vulnerabilities by over explaining yourself or by trying to control the situation, any guy will either run or he will fall into this feminine energy and will behave as a receiver. In that case, you will find your text messages going something like this. You text a guy first, you ask him how he is, you share everything about yourself, you tell a guy what you want, what to do, etc., etc., and he just replies to you, no worries, thumbs up, no problem, I'll speak to you later, I'm busy, and just basically drops you like tiny messages. Then you're left wondering and confused, why is he not pursuing you? He's not pursuing you because you are the one showing him that you're happy to do all the work, are overwhelming him by your oversharing, neediness, and controlling behavior. I have a really good texting video for sale for ladies that find themselves doing such a thing, and you can find that video on my website. I will put a link on where to get it in my video description box below. Number 4 reason why he is not pursuing you is because he is in his pull away. The guy just needs a bit of space from you. A lot of people think that when somebody says, I need me time, it means that I just need to be by myself. A lot of guys will say, I need me time, but what he's gonna mean by a me time, he just needs a break from you. A me time can be just me hanging out with other friends, other people, and not the guy I'm with, or for a guy, not the girl he's with. He just needs a break from you. And it is important to give a guy this type of break, because by having this type of break, he gets to miss you, he gets to realize his feelings for you, and he gets his space. He comes to you back and fresh, trying to impress you and pursue you again. The problem is with girls who don't let the guy pull away, who don't let him have his space, who don't give him his me time because we feel too insecure, we don't trust him, we panic, chase, they victimize themselves, we blame the guy for needing space from you. And when you don't let a guy pull away from you, when we desperately kind of want that space for them, what happens is we cannot be happy with you. In return, he's not gonna be nice to you, he's gonna feel irritated, and eventually will start to lose attraction for you. Number 5, why men don't pursue. Men don't pursue you when you set in a boundary for his disrespectful behavior. By setting in a boundary, you ladies are showing to a man self-respect, that you're not gonna allow him to mistreat you like that. Nobody likes boundaries, okay? When you tell a kid off, what the kid does, the first thing he does, sulks or protests, right? So when you set in a boundary with a guy, the first type of behavior that you might get from him is perhaps a negative attack on you, perhaps a pull away from you, perhaps even trying to come across as you have hurt him and now he's sulking. Please, ladies, when he behaves this way, after you set in a boundary, kind of need to give a guy space to get over thinking about yourself and come into the place that he's thinking about you and was it the right thing to do. Usually we need to set in a boundary with people when we blindly put themselves first, or we do something that is unacceptable to you, but it either benefits them or it strokes their ego. When you set in a boundary and you say, no, this is not acceptable, I'm not allowing that, they're going to get angry because they didn't get what they wanted. So ladies, these were my 5 reasons why he's not pursuing you. If you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Join Greta's High Value Women's School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one group coaching or coaching with a member of my team, book me through my website, which is called gretabereisaite.com. And if you would like to know the ins and outs of being a woman of high value, I have an incredible high value women course for sale, where you will find modules such as high value woman behaviors, high value woman patterns, value woman habits, how to be a challenge for a man, healthy boundaries, emotional control games men play, etc. And if you would like to get that package, I will put it under this video as a pinned comment below and in my video description box below. So thank you so much for watching. Kisses from Dorset.